Hi! This instructional video and homework is about adding integers. Adding integers. Integers are numbers that you could find on a number line. You have seen this before. Back in elementary school on the wall near the ceiling, your teachers may have this big old long number line attached to like all across the room. And it starts with an origin at the 0. And on the right side of that, you see numbers like 1, 2, 3. And these are the numbers that are positive. And to the left of the 0 is -1, -2, -3. And these are all the numbers less than 0, all the negative numbers. But note that there is no fraction and no decimals. That's what integers are. Integers are numbers that are 0, 1. It's a positive and negative numbers. Whole numbers, that is. So how do you add these guys? Well, there's this clever little sample given on the internet. Let's call all the positive numbers they are the gas bag. The gas bag that will make the hot air balloon rise. And let's call all the negative numbers sandbags. And that's the negative. And what will the sandbags do to the hot air balloon? The hot air balloon, the sand will make it go down. The gas bag will make it go up. So for example, if you have 8 plus -10. So this is a gas bag which will make it go up. And this is the negative number or the sandbags that will make it go down. And if you add to the positive or the gas bag 10 sandbags, what's the overall effect? Well, it's gonna make it go down 2. See, it makes it go up 8, but if you add the sandbags, there's more sandbags, so it's gonna make it go down by 2. Did you kind of see that? So here's an example. For example, number 1. What does number 1 say? If you use the example of sandbags and gas bags, number 1, you have 8 sandbags. It's going to make it go down. And what are you doing to it? You're adding 16 more sandbags. You have 8 sandbags, and you're going to add 16 more sandbags. What's the overall effect of the hot air balloon? It's going to make it go down, and make it go down pretty fast. Because how many total sandbags do we have? We have 24 sandbags, and you better say negative, because negative signify that it's going to make it go down. So number 1 is -24. So I did that for you. How about something like number 6? What do you think that says? Well, what we have here is we have 4 sandbags. 4 sandbags, which will make it go down. But what are we adding to it? We're adding 10 gas bags, which will make it go up. So what's the overall effect? For make it go down 4, but make it go up 10, the overall effect is to make it go up 6. And it's a positive. So the answer for number 6 will be 6. Now that you see how that's done, your homework today is to do 2, 4, I already did 6 for you, 8, 10, and now try 12, 14, and 16. I will do number 13 for you, for example, since I haven't given you how to simplify or combining like terms. That's what that is called. So number 13. Number 13 says 5G plus 8G plus something that's going to make it go down, 5G. So this is positive, this is positive. We combine those, they become 13G total. But look at this one's a negative. So don't worry about what the G is as long as they're all G's. G's. They're all like terms, so you can combine them. So 5G and 8G is 13G, which would have made it gone up because they're both positive. But look at this one. This is negative, so it makes it go down. 13 goes up, 5 goes down. What's the overall effect? The difference is 8. But since they're all G's, this has to be a G also. This is called combining like terms. And this can only be done if all the terms have the same G, the same variable. So now that you see number 13, you could do the rest for your homework. Okay? So 2, 4, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. All right, good luck.